Hello everyone, in this video I am sharing with you online business ideas for 2025 and 2026 where you should focus your energy. The digital economy continues to expand rapidly, offering entrepreneurs countless opportunities to build successful online businesses. In 2025 and 2026, the landscape is shaped by evolving consumer behavior, technological advancements, and a growing emphasis on personalization and sustainability. If you are looking to start or grow an online business, focusing your energy on the right niches and strategies is crucial for maximizing success. Number one, e-commerce with a niche focus is one of the online business ideas where you should focus your energy in this new year. E-commerce with a niche focus. While general e-commerce remains competitive, niche markets offer higher chances of success. Consider specializing in eco-friendly products, handmade crafts, or health and wellness items. Consumers increasingly seek brands that align with their values. So, offering sustainable or ethically sourced products can set you apart. Subscription boxes tailored to specific interests such as fitness, beauty, or garnered good foods also continue to thrive, providing predictable revenue and strong customer loyalty. Number two is digital content creation and monetization. You see, this is what I am doing. I create content, and that is why this video is premium. I used to follow somebody also who I paid for to learn online how to blog and other things. And I see that what makes him to be known is the YouTube. And he's teaching us blogging, teaching us other things. Now I studied him. I don't know about his blogging. I don't know about other things, but I know about his YouTube. Based on this, I also focus on my own YouTube channel. I say other things he's talking about, I will not do them per se. I will use the knowledge to improve my YouTube channel. And that is why I cannot overemphasize the importance of you being on social media. Start creating content. Digital content creation and monetization is very, very good. So content remains king in the online world, whether through blogging, podcasting, or video creation. Producing high-quality, engaging content can attract loyal audiences. Monetization options include affiliate marketing, sponsored content, online courses, and membership sites. In 2025 and 2026, short-form video content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels is particularly effective for rapid audience growth and brand awareness. Number three, online hustle that you can go into in 2025 and 2026 and beyond is online education and coaching. The demand for online learning is booming, offering specialized courses, coaching, or consulting services in areas like digital marketing, personal development, or technical skills can be highly profitable. Platforms such as Teachable, Udemy, and Kajabi make course creation and sales accessible. Personalized coaching, especially in health, finance, or career development, benefits from the rising trend of one-on-one virtual sessions. Number four is remote services and freelancing. With remote work becoming mainstream, services such as virtual assistants, graphic design, copywriting, and digital marketing are in high demand. Building a freelance business or agency can be lucrative with relatively low startup cost. So you can leverage platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn, and they help connect you with clients worldwide while building a strong personal brand enhances credibility. Now, I must say, if you are going to go into freelancing like this one I was talking about in this number four, like remote services and freelancing, you must have a skill. The higher the level of skill that you have, the more people you are going to get to even come to you. If you have skill that is above average in that particular niche, even those people who are below average or above average like you, they can get excess work and give you some of it to do for them. Number five is drop shipping and print on demand. Dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory, reducing upfront costs. Coupled with print-on-demand services, you can create custom products like apparel, mugs, and phone cases with unique designs. Success in this model depends on effective marketing, niche targeting, and building a recognizable brand. Number 6 is health and wellness online businesses. The health and wellness sector continues to grow online, including fitness coaching, mental health apps, nutrition advice, and wellness product sales. Offering digital products like workout plans, meditation guides, or health recipe ebooks caters to a health-conscious audience. Number 7 thing you can do to make money or to have to better your money-making skill online is sustainable and ethical online businesses. Consumers increasingly support businesses that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices, whether selling eco-friendly products, promoting zero-waste lifestyle, or offering services that reduce carbon footprints. This niche offers long-term growth potential. As a conclusion, in 2025 and 2026 and beyond, focusing your energy on online business ideas that align with emerging trends, personal passion, and market demand is key to success. Whether you choose e-commerce, digital content, online education, or remote services, combining innovation with customer-centric strategies will help you build a thriving online business in today's dynamic digital landscape. I want to let you know again that this video is a premium video and I want you to take it very, very seriously. On this YouTube channel, I teach you basically two things. Number 1, how to make money online. Number 2, how to make money offline. Now, making money offline, you become people in your locality will recognize you, will notice you. And then there are issues of getting a shop or getting a space. There are issues of getting money to buy the goods and the services. There are many, many issues. But making money online, all those issues are put aside. You provide information products. You provide content which people can now use and put on the ground. If you do not have money to start a business offline, maybe you want to go into farming, you need hectares of land, you need money to pay for the hectares, for the tractor, for this, you have those good ideas. Start online on your Instagram page. Start talking about that goal. Start talking about how it can be done. From there, people that have the resources but have not the time can contact you. From them, other people that have ideas and that have money, that have resources can contact you, and then you become the rallying point. As you become the rallying point, you can take it to the next level by telling them that this and this are what they should do. And then they are going to support the venture with money, and then you run it, and then you give them their profit back. Make sure if you are going into something like this, you have good legal documentation to back it up and to talk about the sharing formula and everything. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video for family and friends, and keep coming back for more.